The controversial ICE contract in Otero County is being allowed to continue.
Jason McNabb joins us live to show us why the state says this will help to protect the Immigrant Safety Act down the road.
Well, yeah, Doug and Shelley, the Immigrant Safety Act's main objective is to stop contracts just like the one Otero County has with ICE. But Attorney General Torres says it's necessary to let this contract continue for now to stop the feds from halting the act altogether. Take a look at this stipulation filed by the New Mexico Department of Justice in federal court on Wednesday. It follows the threat of a preliminary injunction by the U.S. Department of Justice, an order aimed to halt the Immigrant Safety Act signed into law earlier this year. It allows Otero County to continue its controversial contract with ICE to house immigrants at the county's detention center until a federal judge can make a final ruling. The New Mexico Department of Justice tells KOAT the stipulation only affects Otero County's contracts, and all other aspects of the Immigrant Safety Act will remain enforceable statewide when the law goes into effect next week.
It's common in cases for parties to stipulate to a stay or stipulate to hold off on taking any action until a judge makes a decision.
The NMDOJ refers to the stipulation as a, quote, short-term tactical agreement that preserves the future enforcement of the immigrant safety law for the rest of the state. It reads, quote, by agreeing to hold enforcement of those two specific Otero County contracts in abeyance until a court issues a final judgment, we secured the withdrawal of the federal government's motion for a preliminary injunction. In March, Otero County held an emergency meeting to renew their contract before the Immigrant Safety Act went into law. They argued if the contract lapsed, the detention center would close, causing economic turmoil for the county. Last month, Torres challenged the validity of Otero's renewed ICE contract, stating it violated numerous state laws.
They also are subject to a separate law that requires them to get approval from the Secretary of the Department of Finance and Administration. They also failed to do that.
However, the challenge was struck down by the New Mexico Supreme Court a few weeks back. Now, we have reached out to Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham's office for a comment on the stipulation, but we have not yet heard back. Now, reporting from downtown Albuquerque, I'm Jason McNabb, KOAT Action 7 News.
The NMDOJ also says it didn't want to risk losing the fight in a preliminary injunction against the federal government.